Welcome to ESS Connect. Let's begin this sneak peek of ESS Connect on the My homepage. The My homepage is made up of the ESS Connect menu located at the top of the page and several panels below. The following items are in the ESS Connect menu. The logo and home button are up in the left-hand corner. Next is the menu of ESS Connect options. Depending on roles, different options and different drop-downs appear here. On the right-hand side of the ESS Connect menu is the question mark, which indicates the Help section. And finally, next to the Help menu are the user's initials with a menu of user-related options. Now let's look at the panels on the My homepage. Depending on user rights, the following panels may appear. The Quick Access panel will make life easier when it comes to ESS Connect. Here, there is a Student with Support search box, or students can be selected from the Students with Support's Recently Worked With list. The next panel is Unread Messages. Here, one can quickly view messages other users have sent. If any system announcements have been made, they are listed in the Announcements panel. Users such as ESTRs, Gs, and district staff will have the My Students panel for students they are working with. Subject teachers can access the student's profile and documents through the My Classes panel. Now that you have been introduced to the My homepage, let's take a closer look at the Personalized Learning Plan, or PLP, in ESS Connect. In the Student Documents section, all the PLPs that have been created for the student are organized by year. The first section of the PLP is the Student Information page. The student demographics are populated. Start and end dates will need to be added, as well as any additional team members. In this pop-up window, the different types of plans for the student are listed. Next is the Justification Summary. The Justification Summary replaces the justification statement from the old PLP. The student's diagnosis, relevant medical information, present level of function based on recent assessments, strengths, challenges and interests, and current services are recorded. Next, we'll focus on the different types of PLPs available this year in ESS Connect. Let's take a quick look at each one. On the PLP Accommodated, this is where the justified accommodations are listed. This section also includes documentation of assigned assistive technology. Next, we'll look at the PLP Adjusted Curriculum. This is our new format that was formerly called PLP Modified. Here's where the goals and outcomes are recorded for courses where the curriculum outcomes are adjusted. Teachers will be able to select and add outcomes from the curriculum. The goal and strand will be populated for the outcomes selected. Outcomes can be kept, changed, or deleted in order to tailor the student's program. Next, let's look at the PLP Individualized. An individualized plan includes up to 10 domains. Here's where the individualized goals and outcomes are documented. So let's move on to the transition plan. This is a plan that can be used as a student transitions to school, from school to school, or from school. The last section is PLP Individual Behavior Support Plan, which is used to develop goals, collect data, and progress monitor a student's target behavior. This form is very similar to the existing PLP IBSP Word document currently in use. Connected to the PLP IBSP are the IBSP Implementation Checklist, which populates from the IBSP. The preventive strategies, teaching and reinforcement strategies, behavior reduction strategies, and emergency procedures from the IBSP appear here. The staff training section documents any training that staff require in order to implement the IBSP. Note that this can be printed out and attached at the bottom with signatures. The last three sections are for progress reporting. As an example, on the individualized progress reporting, you can see that the goals and outcomes have populated from the individualized plan. This section can be printed on its own and attached to the student's report card. Lastly, team members can communicate with one another throughout the PLP development process. Teachers can send the document to other team members for their input and reference. Perfect! Now we know more about ESS Connect. Soon we will be able to look around and see how easy it is to create, edit, review and communicate about the PLPs in ESS Connect.